Welcome back guys in the second video of Java interview question series. So in this video we will be covering final versus finally versus finalize. Okay. So first we will see what's the use of final in Java. So final is basically a keyword. Okay. So it can be used with variable, method and class. So if we use that final with variable, so its value cannot be changed. Okay, once it declare it cannot be changed. So for example, if we declare variable as final int a equal to 10, and if you write in the next line a equal to 20, so as the a is declared final, it will give compile time error, because the once it declare final, its value cannot be changed. Okay, so this is for variable. And if you declare final with method, its value means method cannot be overridden. Okay, so the child class cannot have similar method if you have final method in that parent class. Okay, and third one is if you declare final with class, so it can't be extended. So inheritance we extend the class, right? But if you declare class as final, it cannot be extended. So this is all about final in Java. So now we will see what is finally. So finally is typically a block which is used with try catch. So whenever we use try catch to handle exception in Java, we use finally. Okay, so it's always execute whether exception is occurred or not. So it will always get execute. Only in the situation it will not get execute is that system crash or system.exit. Okay, otherwise it will always get execute. So consider this as try catch block. Okay, so once try and catch is over, so after that we can write finally. So there are many cases or situation in Java where we have to write a compulsory statement whether our exception is occurring or not. So that in that situation we can write those statement in finally. Okay, so in this example I have just written as learning, that is system.out. So if we get any exception, consider if we get any exception in this block particular, uh, then also that as learning will get print because it is under finally. So typically we use to have we used to close the database connection. That is very much important part, because we have to close the database connection so we can take care it in finally block. So this is all about finally. So till now we have seen finally and final. So let's see what is finalize. So finalize is basically method which is using garbage collection mechanism. So it is invoked before garbage collection. So what is garbage collection? Garbage collection removes those all unreferenced object. Okay, so this is important point in this finalize and garbage collection concepts. So it removes unreferenced object which is of no use or which are not directly getting called or of not used anywhere, so which are not getting used anywhere. So garbage collection removes those all unreferenced object, and it internally uses finalize method. So it is called by system, then system.gc. Okay, so when this method is called, it actually calls the finalize method, and then it removes this those unreferenced objects. So consider this a equal to new a. So where is a class and small is object. So if we write like this a equal to null, so we are nullifying this object. Okay, so this is of no use now. Okay, so if we write system.gc after this, so it will call the garbage collection and it will remove those unreferenced object a. And also this is also one of the case in garbage collection, that is new a. So here we are not setting its value to any object, so it's also unreference kind of object. So this is how finalize works in Java. So I hope you understood the difference between finalize, finally and final. So stay tuned for more such videos and let me know which topic or which interview question you want to cover from us. So we will be making video on those. So thank you and happy learning.